welcome back. So here I am with my boy. He's over here laughing at me. I'm guessing he think I look silly, but I'm just gonna take off the scarf and I'm gonna show you guys how I do my edges. So I'm just gonna comb the hairs that aren't supposed to be edges back, and as you can see, the baby hairs are laying in the direction that I want them to, except for this one side, which apparently is a hater side. If you watch my how to install a wig video, then you will know about the ear tab, but we're not going to get into that. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to apply product and also how to work it into the baby hairs. So I don't use Mousse, I use EdgeBooster to do my edges, just because I don't want the lace to lift up, because I am using Got2b as my adhesive. So Mousse is a little bit on the watery wet side and I'm not too good with avoiding the lace yet, so I just use my regular products that I would use on my natural hair, which is Edge Boost. So I just take a little bit of it, I don't take a lot, and I just put it sparingly on the hairs, just making sure that I got almost every strand, if not all the strands. Okay, so here we're about to go in with the comb. So I'm combing away the straightaways and making sure that the hair is laying flat before I begin. So I'm going to be using my fine tooth RatTail comb, which I use all the time for my baby hairs, but you can use a toothbrush, a small brush, or the edge brush that a lot of people use now, that has the two sides, which is the fine tooth part and also a brush part. So what you want to do when you begin your baby hairs, number one, is cut them to the size that you would like, and then you're going to be swooping it toward your hairline or your ear to say. You're going to be swooping it in a C or a J motion with the comb first. Then to follow it up, you're going to be smoothing it down with your finger. So when you smooth it down with your finger, that helps it to lay the way that you would want it to lay. So you're going to do it on both sides. So when you begin to lay it flat on this side, as you can see, you have to angle your hands a certain way. So I am right-handed, so my left hand has to come across my head in order to do my right side. So it's the same concept though. You're just using your comb to guide, and then you're going to use your finger to mold it into place. So just keep doing that, play with it a little bit, and I'm sure you'll get it down packed. I was going to take a part of the ear tab out and I was going to cut it, but then I decided against it because I was going to be weighing the hair down and not really away from my face. So there was no point in having a third swoop or that little swoop that'd be by the ear part. So I just left it long and I just tucked the hair behind my ear just so that I can see how it would look if I wore it in a ponytail. And then I fanned myself a little bit because, as you can see, I was getting a little bit hot. I don't know why it was so hot in there, but I was sweating. And so I just take the comb, spray a little bit of Got2b on it, and I lay it gently on the hair. And once again, we're going to do comb and just lay it, comb and lay the hairs just the way you like them. So with the Got2b, it just helps it stay in place and locks everything in. So I use that, and then I just go in with the blow dryer one more time, and I make sure that it's good and molded down and it ain't gonna go nowhere. I'm using the blow dryer on its cool setting to make sure that it locks in the got to be, and so that everything is sticking down and staying in place. I'm using it on cool because I'm already a little bit hot and I don't want to sweat more around my hairline. So I'm just going to be using the cool just so that my lace can stay down. And then we'll be done. Alright, so we're all done doing my edges. So I'm just going to be fluffing out the hair and making sure everything is to my liking. So here I'm just showing you guys how it looks if I were to tuck my hair behind my ear. This is just the final look, and it is giving what it's supposed to have gave. Yes. Okay, this hair is gorgeous. Be on the lookout for the hair review. I will be dropping that pretty soon. So leave any comments or suggestions on new things to do with my edges or any new products to try. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.